Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Afrobeat, and from scratch I'll show you what I made here. It is not difficult. The kick is only for step, but let us start from the shaker I made. See these two lines I play solo, which is going to play now is the shaker I made. This is how the shaker sounds like. Alright, with the kick it will sound like this. Alright, with the hi-hat it sounds like this. With another snare it sounds like this. With another snare it sounds like. With a thumb it sounds like this. With a percussion it sounds like this. Alright, this is all about this drum pattern I play here. So let us go to the chord I made. So from the chord I made the chord very simple and understandable. The chord of this song is on key B flat. So this is the chord I made. Sorry, I'll show you. This is the simple chord I made of the song. So listen to the song, listen to the chord, and to see how it sounds with the beating. If you're wondering the kind of I play pocket bass with this minor effect. Alright, I see that you can understand what I played there. So another thing is the conga, which I play with the beat. If you listen to the conga, you will hear something like this. So to make it very beautiful, I didn't want this chord to last in the entire song. I just wanted to give you the rhyme on it. So this is how I want that chord to sound like. Another thing is the vamping pattern which I played there. I didn't want to play it along with it so that you will hear it very perfect. But let me just play everything together. Another thing very interesting there is the bass line, which is very beautiful. With this. we do pass. Here the what else? So I don't have much again until I play the entire beat and how I have arranged it with this not with this unpleasant solo which I played and everything together. Hear it.